Bonjour, I'm Madame Corpuz, and I teach French 1 and World Exploratory Languages here at Holmes. I'm back for my second year, and I'm really excited.
Hola, my name is Senora Dennis, and I am the 8th grade Spanish teacher. I'm very excited to be part of the Mustang family.
The class syllabus and classroom procedures have been posted on Schoology in the team and course information drives, as well as in folders under classroom documents on Synergy. Remind codes can also be found in Schoology.
We also wanted to take a moment to remind you that French 1 and Spanish 1 are high school credit courses. So the grade that your child receives at the end of the year will start their high school GPA. For that reason, we have been emphasizing the first week the importance of participation, effort, and study skills to make sure that each student is successful in their language class. They have already learned quite a bit of language this week in both French and Spanish. So when you get a chance, go ahead and ask them what they've been learning so they can teach you some conversation. We look forward to seeing you at the World Language Question and Answer session, which will be Wednesday evening from 7 to 7:45. The Google Meet code to join is HOM World Language. We would look forward to seeing you there. Hasta luego.
Salud!
My name is Birgit Kueppers, and I am the 8th grade German teacher at Hugo Owens Middle School this school year. I teach German 1. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. Hallo, mein Name ist Frau Kueppers. I have 2 sons. They are 21 and 23. They're both serving in the Army and stationed on the West Coast. I have 2 dogs, Raven and Coco. I was born and raised in Germany near Cologne. This is my first year teaching in Chesapeake. I'm afraid of heights and I love pasta. My classroom expectations for German 1, they are aligned with the Hugo Owens Middle School PBIS expectations. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible. What will we do in German 1? You will learn to recognize familiar words and phrases in German. You will learn to ask and answer questions on very familiar topics in German. You will learn to write lists and present information about yourself and familiar topics in German, and you will be able to use German outside of the classroom in real-world settings. Learn German if you dare. What should I bring on the first day of school to German 1? Now, we are past the first day, but this is what I would like for you to bring every day. A positive attitude above everything, an open mind, a charged Chromebook, and a charger, a 3-ring binder with 5 dividers and loose leaf paper, pencils, pencil pouch. The complete supply list is in my syllabus. This is all I wanted to cover for today. Please let me know if you have any questions. We will have a short Q&A session next week, so please let me know if you have any questions. You can always reach me via email. All right, that's all. Bis bald. Tschüss.